Hi, today I'm going to make almond cake. So I'm going to start with 2.5 cups of flour. The one, this was about a half. Okay, I already got 2.5 in here. I'm going to add another good one of this. So I got the bacon, 1 teaspoon of, this is a half teaspoon, but it asks for 1 teaspoon of baking powder. There we go. I haven't used baking soda very often, so I'm going to add some baking soda, only a half teaspoon. There. I'm going to mix this in a little bit like this. Actually, I'm going to transfer this to a different bowl because I need this to do all the other stuff. Oh, I add sugar. First, let's transfer this over here, all the dry ingredient. There. See, it's very messy when I bake. You don't see the messiness. It's better. 1 cup of sugar, of this sugar. That's good. And then brown sugar. That's my brown sugar. There. It asks also for a cup. Hopefully I have enough. Yep, I barely make it. Lightly packed. And I don't know if it's supposed to. So it asks for 2 sticks of butter. I think I'm going to do this in here. This is usually pretty easy. I'm going to just crack the eggs in. The sticks of butter. I'm going to bring this over here with this beautiful KitchenAid. All right. So I'm going to put the eggs in here. And the sticks of butter, and I'm going to cream this. I'm going to break it up a little bit with my hands. This sounds like it's going to be a very buttery cake. And I know I'm going to also add vanilla. Okay, Tanya's going to wash her hands for a sec. All right, I knew I made a mistake. I was supposed to put the sugar in here too. I put the sugar in here. Hopefully it doesn't mess up too much. Oops. I made a little mistake. Hopefully this is gonna not mess up the cake that much. I'm gonna just knead the sugar in here. And we'll need some almond extract. I'm just gonna wing it. And vanilla. I got vanilla alcohol free. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this beautiful vanilla sugar. All right, I think there need to be some spices in here too.